Pop the rivet in. Why are you putting a rivet in right there? I'll explain why. This particular client wanted a double Bandolero for his belt. All right, so that's still being wet. I'm gonna pop those out. And they can start drying. And then I'm going to cut that right there. So I got to put 2 slots in the center. He's going to wear this on his belt. Like so. And then we have pointed end here. We got the end pointed. And I need to pop a hole on this end. And drop a rivet in here. So all right, I'm gonna let this one more time. Dry it out on me a little bit. I like to wet both sides. It's entirely up to you, but here's a little bit more stretch. Just a little bit there that's not wet. All right. So the same hole again. Pull it through with needle nose. Make sure it's not twisted on you. Pop the shell in. This is, I think, 2.5 inches wide. And I offset the slots so they're not in the center, so that the bullet will have plenty of room to lay nicely.